just a quick way to show you how I sanitize these cans. So I will use these for balms like foot balms, face creams, and other solid, anything that's solid. I will put these in here. So continue watch to the end and you can see what I'm doing. If you're not already subscribed, please do so. It's free to do so, guys. Send me a comment. You can share this video. You can also send me an email if you want to at IngridJoyAromas IngridJoyAromas@gmail.com. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So I was taking a walk with two kids and just ran into these wildflowers. Look how beautiful they are. You have the purple, the yellow, and this is just on the field, guys. It's go a long way. Look how tall they are. I believe you could find these in the nursery, where the flowers are sold. Look how tall they are. And this is on the playground. I guess they don't bother to cut this part because it's so beautiful. But I find here in Ontario there is a lot of flowers just popping up everywhere. So I'm just so sorry for the people that have allergies. I think you have to start wearing a mask, guys. Carry around a mask with you. But yeah, just crazy to see all these flowers, and they're so beautiful. And what the kids are doing is pick them and put them into like a bouquet and give them to me. Like, what am I supposed to do with them? Anyway, it's just so funny and so thoughtful of them. So hopefully everyone is having a great day. Please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to have a great summer, because I'm not sure where you're from, but here in Canada, America, some part of America. Guys, you want to know what acorns are? Europe.
If you look up in this tree,
we're changing weather soon.
Acorns. And what happened is the squirrel will get these when they fall off, or they will store it for winter. Basically, that's what it is, and it's a nut inside. And this tree is, I think, about ready to go. Acorn. Do you know what acorn is? It's a nut inside, and the squirrel will get these and store it for winter time. This tree is filled with acorn. I'm hoping you can see, but acorn is all over this tree. So these look green, but they're gonna be falling off soon. Acorn. Do you know what acorn is? It's a nut inside, and the squirrel will get these and store it for winter time. This tree is filled with acorn. I'm hoping you can see, but acorn is all over this tree. So these look green, but they're gonna be falling off soon.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do some sanitizing. So if you use, I made the soap already, so if you're using Dawn soap, you just need 1 drop, because it's give a lot of sud or bubbles. So today what I'm doing is, these are roll-on bottle, but what I normally use these for is to make a shea butter bar. So what you do is just like how you use the roll-on and you roll it from the bottom, you do the same thing, but this time you roll it on your skin, like your arm, your leg, your belly, your shoulder, wherever you need to go, and just rub it in. So I'm having 2 bowls of water, one which I'm putting it in the soap water and then I'm gonna be rinsing them in this water, and then what I'm gonna do after is I'm gonna put them on some Kleenex so they can run off properly and dry properly. Because normally what I do is I just let them air dry, because if I have to go in with like paper towel and dry them properly, then I will still have water on the inside, and when I'm ready to put my product in, it will give me problem. So I have 12 of them today. So, and if you notice, guys, anything I'm doing, I always love to just put my gloves on. Because I'm using these for the skin itself. I just rather to just use the gloves. So you can see I do even the cap as well. I rinse the cap as well. I know these come from the manufacturer, but you know what? Usually just come in the machine. They come from the machine just like that, and what will happen is just they just package it and then send it to you. So you have to make sure these are dry properly. So as you can see here, I'm trying to flush out all the water that's into it. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to be leaving these. I'm going to give it about 2 hours. And then if I come back and I see that it's not dry properly or the water is not run out properly, I'm just going to let it sit overnight or something, because I don't need my countertop right now. So I will just leave them, let them dry properly. So what's happening sometime is I like to clean my bottles, and then when I'm ready to make whatever I'm making, you can see right here how it's cap on.
All I wanna do is be with
That's
you,
how it is. And
always
then
be the
what
light
happened
that
is that
on you, star, sun, ocean,
you have
my
enough
dreams
space for
always
labeling.
there. Whoa,
So I like to sanitize these bottles, because
my
when I
dreams always there, my love, my star, my moon.